Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, The Meryl Week Diaries. I'm so glad that you decided to click on this huge haul video. I went out the day after Christmas looking for some bargains and some things that were marked down. I hit up 3 stores, Ross, the 99-cent only store, and Walmart. This is actually going to be part one of my huge haul because I've gone out 4 or 5 days in a row looking for other great bargains, and it was really all too much to put in one video. So I'm going to break it up into 2 videos. So be sure that after you watch this that you turn your notifications on so that you can get part 2 of the video. 99-cent store only. All of the trunk is full. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna issue a really quick disclaimer. Don't pay any attention to my nails. I'm actually gonna be getting them done in a couple of days. So one of the first things I found was this really cute throw from Ross. It wasn't on sale. It was $12.99, but it matches the decor of my house. One of the things that I wanted to do was get Christmas decorations that matched my house for next year as well. So this was one of the first things that I found that really caught my eye. It's really fluffy, it's really comfortable, and for it to be a twin size, like 60 by 90, it actually is pretty big. So got that. Another thing that I got was this vase from Ross as well. It was $15.99. It matches the decor of my house as well. So I'll just go ahead and tell you what the decor is. It's the gray and this teal and some blues, gold and silver. So we can just get that out of the way and I don't have to keep saying it, but it's actually going to go on my kitchen table as a centerpiece. My kitchen table is like a gray marble design, so this is going to look great on it. I also got these as well. These are vase fillers. They're potpourri and they smell really great. They were $5.99 each. I also needed some new cooking utensils. I do a lot of cooking and have a recipe blog on my website, so I wanted my food to, be cooked with nice stuff and have, nice presentations. So I was able to pick up these in this baby blue color, Tiffany blue color. They were $5.99. I also grabbed the wooden ones as well. They were $3.99. You can't beat that because there's like 5 utensils on here and there's 5 in the other pack as well. That's a few of the Ross things. Now the stuff that I'm about to show you now came from the 99-cent store, and they actually were all half off. So these were great deals. I got 2 of these Christmas pot holders. I was able to get this cupcake kit. It just has like the toothpick and the inside and the snowman cookie cupcake cups. So I think I got 2 or 3 of those. Actually, I got 3 of those. So 50 cents each. I got these Cello treat bag holders. They were 50 cents each. Now, mind you, this was just the day after Christmas. So if you wait a couple of days after, you probably can get them for 75 or 80% off. So also I got these. They were $2.99 at half off, so like $1.50 each or $3 for the both of them. So they match the cupcake cups. I was able to get these cooking platters, or these serving platters. They were 50 cents each. Christmas hat, tree drape. Really loved these placemats. Unfortunately, all they had were 2, so I'm hoping that between now and Christmas I'll be able to find similar ones or ones that will accent them really well for a low price. So Christmas tree decorations this year were red, green, and gold, but these are going to look great next year for when everything will match. So I think I got, these were 50 cents each, and I think I got 3 6, 9, 12 of these, unless I find some more in the box. They also had these cute oversized jumbo ties that say "Let's Get Lit" for Christmas. So we're going to be having an ugly sweater slash this PJ party for 2020, and so these will be great for some of us to wear. So we have some more accent pieces for the tree. These snowflakes with the rhinestone accents. They look very fancy. I like that. Okay, and some other things I got at the 99-cent store were these wrapping papers. I got 5 at 50 cents, and then there were a couple of rolls that were double rolls, and they were $1.99, so I got those for $1. Got these cute table toppers here, 50 cents. I was able to get some gift boxes. So everything that I'm showing you is half off, so it was either 50 cents or $1. So the majority of these things were 50 cents. Some iridescent tinsel that's going to look great on the tree. So there's 4 of these. Gift bags. 6 of those. And then some larger ones. There's 8 of these. Now these gift bags and gift boxes will last me a couple of years because I really just try to maximize them. A couple more table toppers, the glitter and rhinestone. Got 2 silver poinsettias. These were $1.50 each. I got some more tree ornaments, again glitter and rhinestone. It's going to be very fancy. A snowflake tree topper, 50 cents. I'm going to look at a few more Ross and Walmart finds. Walmart actually had a great sale on discounted items. So they had these cups that have hand cream in them, as well as bath beads. These make great gifts for your kids' friends at Christmas time. So I got 2 of those. I think they were $1 each. I got this polish set, and it also has, I think, like some eyeshadow glitter in it, and it was $2. Oh, I didn't show you guys the glitter cone tree. The ones I have now are red, but I love these because they're so sparkly and festive. I needed new bowls, again, for my recipe vlog and book that I'm going to do this year. Got those at Ross, and I think they were $5.99. One was $3.99 and one was $5.99. This is just a utensil holder. It came from Ross. It was $5.99. I like to bake Christmas cookies, so they had this cookie canister and cookie cutter set. There's actually 2 in here. There's a smaller canister, and there's about 4 cookie cutters in here. Okay. So I also got this cookie cutter set that you can give as a gift. It actually comes in a glass holder, so it's kind of heavy, but it makes a great gift. I think they were $3.99, so I got 2 of those. I also found these essential oils. There's 8 in here, and you know, when you purchase these, you know, they're usually like $5.99 or $6.99 each. Measuring cup, rolling pin. For Christmas I was using a creamer, a coffee creamer bottle. So I really needed a new rolling pin. It's silicone, and it was $6.99.
No, you can't come back in.
Got this cute tea kettle. Says keep calm and drink. It'll make a great gift, but I'm actually going to keep it for myself. It was a gift to myself. This pack of 50 tea lights. It was $3.99. Got this 10-piece food storage set. It's really thick silicone, so for storing all of your, stuff. It was $5.99. I found this 8-piece bath set. It was half off, so I think that, I don't remember how much it was, but it was half off at Walmart. So it comes with soap, body scrub, pink Himalayan bath salt, milk bath, body balm, shower gel, and a bath candy. Also from Ross, I was able to get these large cookie sheets, 2 of them, and one was they were both $5.99. I found this Bluetooth speaker from Ross as well. I'm going to give it as a gift next year. By the way, with this shopping haul, I am completely done Christmas shopping for next year. So all of my gifts have been purchased. This 15-piece cookware from Walmart. It was originally $99.99 and they had it on sale for $69.99. This was a gift from my husband to me. Actually, all of this was from him to me. So thumbs up to him. Shout out to him. Leave a comment in the comment section and tell him thank you for me. Okay, so these came from Walmart. These are gift sets, bath gift sets, and they come with shower gel, body wash, body lotion, and a sponge, and they were half off, so they were $2.97 each. So I got 5 of these. This one is a different brand. It's by Drench, but it has body wash gel, body spray, body lotion, and a sponge as well. So these were great finds. I think they were actually more than half off because $2.49 or $2.97, however much they were. Like, you can't beat this, and they make great gifts because they actually come in a reusable bag. So that's that. They had these bath bomb sets. It comes with 9 pieces. They're great scents like berry sorbet, beach vacay, mango flower, cherry blossom, orchid, pink peony, ocean, lavender, and coconut lime. And so I was able to get 4 of these. These are going to be gifts for next year as well. I'm able to get these argan oil scented body butters. So it comes with argan oil plus shea butter plus coconut butter and plus almond butter. Those are going to be gifts as well. Got these from the 99-cent store. They're just microfiber dishcloths to match the theme that I'm going for. And the candies, I don't know if they're going to hold up until Christmas, but if not, they won't go to waste. I will eat them. A 10-piece unicorn gift set. It comes with a nail polish, a raspberry body lotion, and hand cream, as well as slippers and some things for a pedicure. So that's a really good gift. I think it was under $5. These Body Cology Island Beach Paradise bath bombs and coconut hibiscus bath bombs, and there's 2 in each. I think these were $1. A few more snowflake decorations for the tree. These were 50 cents each. Got this cute unicorn backpack from Walmart. I think it was a couple of dollars. Another one of these. So I think there's 6 of these altogether. Makeup gift set from Ross. I think it was $3.99. Was able to find this cute dress. It was actually discounted by 15% because it had a little a little snag on it. I don't see it now, but it was something that was totally like mundane, but it was like 15% off. Just this other really cute dress that was only $6.99. Has little buttons at the bottom, and this cute little unicorn shirt for one of my granddaughters, and this other one for my other granddaughter for next year. Pot was from Ross. Like, it really is great for like holiday time when you're making large amounts. I also got these 3 canisters that I'm going to put sugar, flour, and whatever else I want in them. One was $2.99, and then there were 2 that were $3.99, I think, because a couple of them are larger than the other. The last few things I got were these square serving dishes from the 99-cent store. So they were 99 cents each. I got 3 of those. 4 of these square plates that I really need because they're great for presentation for meals. Glass butter holder and 2 of these glass bottles for oil. The second one. Got these 4 oblong square serving platters as well. And so that, guys, concludes my haul. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.